I have a funny clip here from Tesla Sentry mode. This is the mode. It's capturing the exterior cameras whenever anything funky happens to your Tesla. Someone bangs into it. Someone tries to break into your car. Someone scratches, dents your vehicle, maybe while it's charging, something like this. So you end up with some funny clips. Here we have Tesla Cam Stories, episode 14. This is a bizarre interaction, which I know you want to watch. I have watched it in advance. I had to make sure it was safe.
Yeah.
Safe for consumption. Now, you have a biker here, and there you go, Will. That's your clip. Now, this is a compilation of Sentry clips. It comes to us via a YouTube channel by the name of what? By the name of Wham Bam Tesla Cam. How about that for an entire channel? And I want you to just roll it back one more time, Will, because we gotta catch a glimpse at the thumbnail image, which of course tells the story for the most part. We have, at first I believe it's a skateboarder flying through there. Okay, there, pause. Okay, so you had a skateboarder, and the skateboarder was focused. And the skateboarder was a longboard. They were just gliding along, real summer style.
Yeah.
And we got to take it slow here because there's a lot going on. It's more than you originally thought. There's the skateboarder. You paused it. Now, the skateboarder's looking ahead, right? Watching the direction they're going. So that's not a problem. But now I want you to keep your eye on the biker who comes up next. I apologize, a cyclist. She is not, pause it right here. She's not paying attention, Will. And can you tell the people how you know that she's not paying attention?
Well, she's looking on her phone.
Yes, she's looking at her phone while she's riding a bike, which is not advisable. That's not an advisable activity. And just as she goes to put the phone down, she somehow, maybe she misjudged her distance from this vehicle.
Oh,
and
she's leaning.
She starts to lean, and then tragedy strikes as she exits the bike completely and slams into this person's Tesla. Although it looks like she sort of saves the car ever so slightly because the bike kind of travels in the direction away from the car.
Right, yeah.
But she knows she's going to hit the ground at least, as she does here. And in a second. And if you continue forward just a little bit more, I think you actually can see her. Yeah, go a little forward on the video there, Will, past this part. I feel like I saw her sitting beside trying to recover.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a preview. It's a funny preview. You got to go to
okay, here
the
we go.
33-second mark.
There we go.
Yeah. And then you'll see she's sitting for a while kind of beside the Sentry camera of the Tesla. You see she's trying to recover. And I don't know if it's pain or if it's laughing going on here. Probably a little bit of both. It's kind of funny that you crashed, but also maybe you got a scrape or two. And then you're laughing because your friends are looking back at you like, you idiot, were you looking at your phone again?
Yeah.
And this is all the type of thing that happens when you're distracted.
Like, Sarah, not again.
Not again.
Come on.
We're just going for a stroll here. Can you enjoy the environment? Can you enjoy the smooth breeze? What are you looking at on your phone? Well, now she can look at herself on the phone as she goes viral on this particular clip. I don't know how many views this has, but those Sentry cams pick up some funny things, man. Hence the need for an entire channel. Wham Bam Tesla Cam for all your favorite Sentry clips. You can go have a laugh.